There's so much emotion with the word mom, और I think इस ट्रेलर में भी आपको वो इमोशन बहुत क्लियरली दिखता है. Tell me, I want to know your relationship with your mother.
Can't explain what relationship I have with my mother. मैं जो आपके सामने अभी बैठी हूँ, I feel सिर्फ और सिर्फ उनकी वजह से.
और I think वही चीज़ होता है when you are a mom as well.
Like a friend to them, and more than being a mother. And, I'm happy. Like I really wanted to be like a friend to them, and they're very sensible kids, and they know their limits. I'm not at all very strict with them. They never gave me a chance to be strict.
Starting with you, नवाज़, आपका किरदार इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है. मुझे पता है ऑब्वियसली एक थ्रिलर है, पर मुझे जानना है कि क्या आपने उसके बारे में डिस्कस किया था, कितनी आपकी राय थी उस एंटायर चीज़ में?
नहीं, वो तो डायरेक्टर का अपना खुद का वो होता है, डिज़ाइन होता है कि कैसे मुझे अपने किरदारों को कैसे देखना है फिल्म में, कैसे मूव करेंगे, कैसे बात करेंगे, डायरेक्टर का होता है. और जब हम लोग उन लोगों ने डिज़ाइन किया, और फिर रवि ऑफकोर्स पूरा किया धारा उन्हीं का है, और फिर किस तरीके से बोला जाए फिर उसके ऊपर चर्चा हुई. तो एक एक किरदार के साथ बैठे वो, तो ये सारा कुछ डायरेक्टर का ही होता है एक्चुअली.
Coming to you, Akshay, again, there's this, from whatever we could see in the trailer, there's this guy, obviously there's a sense of mystery in him as well. You know, he has a certain way he deals things with. So tell me more, मतलब आपके किरदार के बारे में.
As far as my character is concerned, it's not a very mysterious character. It's a guy who's trying to reveal the mystery in the film, because I'm playing a cop. He's the person who's investigating and trying to get the truth. It's not a very mysterious character.
No.
No, these two are very mysterious.
Fine, he's the one who's going to show us what the mystery is all about. But Akshay, कितना मजा आता है जब you have this one-to-one scenes with Nawaz, or with there's this whole chemistry that comes out, right? And tell us about that. We see a little bit of it in the trailer.
See, for any actor, the greatest joy is working with a better actor.
That's true. Well said.
It's the greatest joy to work with someone who's better than you, and to work with a director who's sensitive. You know, who knows, especially when you are sensitive. If you are not a very sensitive person, not a very sensitive artist, कुछ भी चलता है, then it doesn't affect you at that level. Or you also, the flip side is you don't appreciate that kind of sensitivity which you find in very few directors.
Are you extremely protective, like every parent is, but are you overly protective about your daughters?
Of course, I'm very, very protective. But I'm not possessive. But I am protective. There's a difference.
So then obviously everybody has been asking you, and we all obviously want to know about Janhvi's debut and everything. And there are already stories. I mean, debut bhi nahi hua hai, and har jagah, you will only see paparazzi following and all of that. Does it scare you?
Of course it used to, but now we live with it. I mean, the press is everywhere, anywhere, wherever you go. Yeah. So it is part of your life. It's become.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कमेंट ये भी है जो कि सेफ्स डॉटर ऑल्सो इज लॉन्चिंग, सारा, उन्होंने भी इस बात को उठाया था कि इस तरह से उनको बहुत डर लगता है कि एक अनस्टेबल करियर है बॉलीवुड, और उनको इस बात के लिए डर लगता है कि इतनी पढ़ाई किया तुमने, आर यू श्योर यू वांट टू डू इट? डू यू ऑल्सो फील द सेम, और डू यू फील इन दैट लाइन्स लाइक अबाउट द होल the whole unpredictability of being in Bollywood?
Yeah, definitely. But I'm not at all against it, because आज जो भी हूँ मैं, it's because of this industry. This industry has given me so much love and respect. But it is really exposing your child. So you being very protective. So all of a sudden you can't take this. अपने बच्चों का आप ऐसे ही expose कर रहे हैं. So that really took time for me to observe. I mean, take. But then slowly I got over it.
For all the Garma Garam Bollywood gossip news and more, download the Zoom app now.